Hello everyone. So today we have a special unboxing and first look. So this is the Razer Seiren V3 Mini. So I was looking for a good but not very expensive microphone. Since I started streaming, the headphone with the microphone which I've already had, it wasn't really working that well. So I wanted to pick up something which is inexpensive but pretty good quality. So I was looking online to see what are the options available, and I came across the Seiren Mini. And one thing which I noticed was that most of the reviews which I found on YouTube was for the, let's say, the first version of the Seiren Mini. So it was, I think, released at least 3 years back. So everybody had a few different complaints about it. So I came to know that the updated version, the V3 Mini, solves some of these problems which initially all the reviewers were complaining about. So today I'm not gonna go in depth about the review side of things, because I think the sound quality and the build quality, everybody has covered much better than me, because I'm not a professional reviewer or anything. I'm just going to show you what comes in the box and how my setup is going to be. So without further ado, let's see what comes in the box. So this is the box of the Seiren V3 Mini. Yeah, I've already cut the tape off since I had to do this with one arm. So yeah, let's just open and see what is in the box. So we have a booklet. I think, yeah, kind of a quick setup guide. There is even a Razer sticker which comes along with it. Yeah, it is a quick start guide. Okay, let's keep that aside. And this will be the base. Just give me a moment here. Yeah, this is the base, which is pretty good. There is a foam right behind it so that it doesn't vibrate when we are putting the mic on the table. And here's the cable. So the cable was one of the main issues that everybody was complaining about, that the initial version had like a kind of a proprietary connection, but I think they already solved that issue with the V3. V3 comes with a standard USB A to C cable, so no more proprietary connections. That's good. I think the shape of the initial V3 Mini was the proprietary part. The connection was actually with the micro USB cable. So anyway, that part is solved. And yeah, this is a pretty good quality cable. So that's there. I think this is the middle portion of it. You screw this in and connect it to the microphone. And we have the microphone as well. So there you go. So there is an indicator LED over here. So as you can see, it's a standard type C cable slot, and also it comes with a mute button now. So everybody was even complaining about that part, even though the build quality and the sound and everything was pretty good. It didn't even had any mute button. So now the V3 Mini, V3 Seiren Seiren V3 Mini comes with both of these things pretty much taken care of. So as in the box says, tap to mute sensor is available and comes with the USB-C cable connection. So along with the V3 Mini, I've also ordered a mic stand. So an adjustable microphone arm from Maono. I'm not sure if I'm saying the name right. So this is the one which I've got from Amazon. So this one was the AU-B01 model. AU-B01 model. If anybody cares about the model number, that's it. So I got both from Amazon. For the microphone, I paid a little bit, slightly less than $50. I think around $48 or something like that. And for this arm, I paid around, I think around $14. Yeah, it was pretty inexpensive. I'll do one thing, I'll set everything up and show you guys how it looks. Okay, stay tuned. So I've temporarily fixed the mic arm on the side of my table. So this is how the arm looks. It is pretty adjustable, so you can turn it around, increase, decrease the height, move it that side, bring it back. So pretty adjustable. Even this part is also really adjustable. So I'd say for the price, it's worth it. And so this is how the mic looks. Now I'll have to do some messing about and fix it maybe on the right side of the PC, right side of the table. But since I have this beefy system sitting here, I may have to move some things around to figure out how I can keep it somewhere over here. As you can see, my desk is pretty full. I even have to get a bigger desk. The monitor is already hanging on the side. So let me see what I can do about it. But yeah, that's how the mic is gonna look. And this is the cable. I think it's like a 1 meter cable. I do have a slot on my Razer keyboard if I wanted to plug it in, but I don't think that will be an ideal position for it. But anyway, let me see what I can do about it. But yeah, if any of you guys want to see an in-depth review of this mic or even my gaming PC, feel free to leave a comment and I'll create another video for you guys. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on the video. I hope you guys got a clear understanding of what comes in the box. And yep, that's it for the day. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.